Have you ever copied a formula in Excel only to realize it completely changed your reference and ruined everything? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to copy formulas without changing the references, so your work stay accurate, fast, and frustration-free. Whether you are using tables, ranges, or just moving formulas around your sheet, I have got you covered. Let's get started and take control of your formulas. Before we start, and as usual, let me tell you that the file we will be using in this video is linked in the description below. You can download it and follow along with me step by step. Alright, let's get started by checking the data that will be used in our today's video. It's a table with 6 columns. The first 2 columns are related to the product name and the revenue of each product. And then we have 4 more columns, each one of them including a different function than the other one. Some of these formulas are related directly to these cells, and some of them are including specific criteria like this one. In addition of that, if you double click at any formula, you will see that it's related also to these cells. If you would like to apply the same formula or to copy the same formula to another table in your spreadsheet or another table or another range, I think you will be struggled here. Because if you just copied your formula like that, and put it in the other range, you will see that the reference has changed. And in case you have many formulas in different ways like that and also multiple rows, it will be kind of impossible to copy it directly or to review each one of your formulas. So I think the first solution that came up in your mind that to copy it in a manual way like that. But let's agree that it's not an effective way to do that. On the other side, you will not be able to avoid the human mistakes or typo mistakes or anything else that may affect your accuracy in your file and your results. So the question here, what's the best way to do that? All you need, instead of copying it manually one by one, is to do the following. You need to just select your entire data and from your keyboard press Ctrl H to open file and replace. Make sure that login is formula selected and start by the find what we will find equal, and we will replace it with any text that not considered as an equation or a sign. Like let's try for example my name. So I will replace equal with name Ahmed. What we are gonna do here is to changing the formula from being a function or a formula to be a text that can be copied to another place. So we will find equal and replace it with Ahmed, and then we will click on replace all. Then you can realize that all formulas are replaced with a text. So it will be easy for you to select your all formulas and copy it to the new place or the new range, the new table you are working on or you need to copy the formulas to. We will press from our keyboard Ctrl V, and then we can now select the entire range, the old and new, and then do the same steps again. Ctrl H and get back everything to normal. So we will type find what, the text we replace the equal with, so we will type Ahmed. And for replace with, we will replace the text we put to be an equal, just to reverse our action to be from being a text to be a formula again. And then we will press replace all. As you can see here, everything replaced, everything back to normal. If you double click or on any formula, you will find that its reference is correct and it's correctly reading from the source or the reference you need. It doesn't matter the differences between the formulas, or you are using one formula or more than one function, it will work for you. That's all for today. Now you can copy any formula across your Excel sheet without worrying about broken. Finally, remember that the file used in this video is linked below in the description. You can download it and try it by yourself. If you found this helpful, give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful Excel tutorials that save your time and boost your skills. And just drop me a comment to tell me what you need to see in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.